In this lecture, we will know about basics of statistics. We will understand what is statistics, what are its definitions and importances. Statistics is the branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the data to make informed decisions. Statistics allow us to understand patterns, trends, and relationships in data. In simple language, statistics is a science of learning from data. That is, statistics transform raw numbers into meaningful informations. Statistics helps in making predictions, solving problems, and drawing logical conclusions based on data. These characteristics of statistics making it a crucial tool in almost every field. In daily life, we use statistics in every field, either during our employment, during a business, or during dealing a daily life problems. Many a times we require data, we have that analytical skill through which we analyze the things and come to a conclusion. So whole this process that we are doing in our daily life to for reaching to a decision, we use statistics. Now come to the importance of statistics. So first and major importance of statistics is understanding and interpreting data. Data lies everywhere, from business sales record to social media trends. And every data tells something. Every data has capacity that if it is being analyzed properly, then it will reach to a very specific conclusion. So statistics helps us to convert these raw data into meaningful information. It allows us to summarize and interpret large amount of information efficiently. For example, a company can analyze customers' purchase data to understand which products are selling the most in the market. Second importance of statistics is it helps in decision making. Businesses, governments, and individuals use statistics to make data driven decisions rather than relying on intuitions. When you are at that point where you have invested a large amount of capital, or the point where you have to take some safe and secure decision for your pupil, at that time you will think that our intuition will not be appropriate, will not up to mark. At that time, you require significant information on the basis of strong facts. So, such information can be extracted out with the help of previous data or data available at that particular time. And we need some skills, some techniques which will help us to drive out conclusion from that particular data. At that particular point of time, statistics is a best tool, best method to read out the data and conclude it in the way the data is saying. So it helps us in decision making. Statistics helps in predicting trends and minimizing risks. When we take decision on the basis of a previous data using specific and desired tool, then obviously we can easily predict the trends and minimizing the risk which is coming in the future. For example, companies use statistics to determine which marketing strategy work best on customer response. Next importance is statistics supports scientific research and hypothesis testing. Statistics is the best tool to do scientific researches. With the help of statistics, we easily make hypothesis testing. Statistics is essential in scientific studies to analyze experimental data. It helps to identify what components are there which are making such sort of behavior in atoms, molecule, or in physical science and physics, how these consequences happen. The cause and effect relationship is easily determined with the help of statistics. Statistics helps researchers to test hypotheses and draw valid conclusions. For research scholars and the professionals, this is the best technique that they use statistics in order to test their hypothesis, their research hypothesis. And with the help of these statistical techniques, they reach to a specific conclusion. Statistics used in medicine, psychology, economics, and environment studies for doing such sort of researches. For example, in clinical trials, statistics help to determine a new drug is effective or not. Next, statistics used in business and marketing analysis. Companies analyze consumer behavior and marketing trend using statistical data. It helps in forecasting sales, optimizing prices, and improving product quality. For example, e-commerce companies use statistics to recommend product based on previous purchases. This example has been seen everywhere. You are using online apps in order to purchase your things. So, on the basis of your searching results, product has been recommended to you. How that particular app, that particular technology get to know about that customer is searching about this or that? The basic behind this machine learning aspect is statistics. Statistics has been used to train that machine to pick the data, the pick the characteristics, what customer is doing, and on the basis of that, recommend our product to customer. Next importance of statistics is it is used in probability and risk assessment. In a real life, maximum of things working on absolute measures and some of the things are working on relative measures. So whenever the side comes to the relative measures, then talks of chances come into the horizon. That means at that time we don't know what is the surety of happening or non-happening. So sort of situation when comes in decision making or in daily life, at that time we use probability. And probability is assessed with the help of statistics. It is a part of statistics. Probability and risk assessment has been done with the help of statistics. Statistics help in assessing risk and predict future events. The probability and risk assessment part of statistics is used in finance, insurance, and disaster management. Insurance companies calculate their premiums based on a statistical probability of accident or illnesses. Next importance of statistics is government policy and decision making. Government are also using statistical data for drawing the conclusions for making some decisions. Government uses statistical data for making policies related to health, employment, and economy. They do census, unemployment rate calculations, surveys, inflation, and GDP related data. These all data has been determined with the help of statistical methods. The government of a nation use statistical data to set minimum wages based on inflation rate. So these are the major importance of statistical data. In real life, we use statistics at many places, like in maximum sports, presenting the statistics of a player, of a match, of an event for the future production. Everything is going on TV screen is presented with the help of statistics. Players' performance, team strategy, match prediction, everything comes with the help of statistics. In healthcare industry, disease tracking, clinical trials, public health studies done with the help of statistics. In education sector, student performance analysis, exam grading, dropout rate predictions, these all small things has been covered with the help of statistics. As far as stock market is concerned, the investment risk assessment, stock price prediction has been done with the help of statistical tools. And nowadays, the popular social media part also use statistics for analyzing the user's behavior, ad performance, and trending topics. For example, Google use statistics to analyze search trend and improve user experiences. Weather department use statistics to predict climatical changes. So we can say that statistics is an essential tool for understanding the world, making informed decisions, and solving real world problems. Whether you are in business, healthcare, education, or research, statistics provide valuable insight that lead to smarter data driven decisions. Thus, we can say that without statistics, we are blind in the world of data.